Oregami Luggage is the only luggage that allows you to see and get to all of your belongings instantly. Now we're introducing Oregami FIT. The same patented origami system now fits in your own luggage. To use Oregami FIT, begin by tucking the rigid side flaps under the bottom lip to expand the trays. Then, pack your stuff. Finally, fold them up and fit them right into your existing luggage. FIT 2.0 fits many compact bags. FIT 3.0 fits most carry-on bags. And FIT 4.0 fits large duffel bags. You can also mix and match to suit your travel needs. The trays zip apart so you can use them as needed. And when you arrive, you can place them directly in the drawers. The trays are super lightweight and they are easy to collapse and store when not in use. Oregami FIT adjusts to you and the way you travel. Oregami. The future of luggage unfolds.